Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Christmas is close at hand, and yeah, I found in the Dollar Tree in Germany those wooden cutouts, Christmas bubbles, and they look kind of plain to me, and that's why I decided to pimp them a little bit. And how I did that, I'll show you in this video. This is a closer shot for y'all. So I'll put some puddles of gloss varnish into my palette, and I'll put a lot of glitter in there, which went all over the place. And this has to be a paste-like consistency because otherwise the glitter will not cover up the white spots on the bottom of those bubbles. So I took the fuzzy thing off one of those micro brushes, and you can use a toothpick as well. And with this thing, I put the color, well, the glitter with the varnish into those crevices. I will speed up this process because it took me about half an hour to make one of those bubbles. And this is what it looked like when I was finished. And because I have 16 of those bubbles, I decided not to make all of them with the glitter. I wanted to make something that looked like enamel, and I tried to do that with the gloss varnish, and I put some mica powder in there, and I put a lot of mica powder in there so I would have a paste. And with that paste, I made the same thing just like with the glitter ones. So this is what it looked like when it was dry. And yeah, this candle thing is with the glitter, and the other one is with the mica powder, and this looks like enamel, I think. I like it. Because I didn't know how good those two wooden pieces been glued together, I didn't want to risk seeping out my resin when I put it on top of that. And that's why I used school glue and put a lot of it right in between those two pieces of wood, just to seal it. And because I didn't want no resin noses on the bottom of my pieces when I put a resin on there, I put some painter's tape on it, rubbed it on really good, and cut the pieces to size. So now for the best part, I put the resin on there, and I used a really thin resin with a low viscosity. And I took my spoon and scooped it really slow on top of those bubbles because I didn't want to fill it up too much. Otherwise, if it runs down, it's like not really, yeah. I like to save resin, and that's why I do it slowly. So I left it there a little bit sitting after I yeah, spreaded it out with the spoon a little bit, and yeah, if you need more, you can always put more on there. And with my little silicone brush, I helped on those pieces where there were no resin. I helped the resin to get there where it needed to be, in all the crevices and up to the rim. So this is what they look like after I put the resin on top of all of them. And don't you like that shine? I just love that, and I think they really look gorgeous on the Christmas tree. And look at that sparkle. I just love that. This is so sparkly. So after they've been cured 24 hours later, I took the painter's tape off, and I had a little bit of seepage in those corners there where you hang your bubbles up. And I just got rid of them, of the seepage with my craft knife, and yeah, and I was finished. As you can see on the back, you don't have no drips and no spillage and nothing, and I like that. And this is what they look like when they were finished, and I'm in love. I just love those. What do you think? If you like my video, I would appreciate a thumbs up, a comment how you like my video, or a subscription onto my channel. This would help me a great deal with YouTube, and I really appreciate it. I hope I'll see you next time in my next video, and until then, take care. Bye bye.